Let me share with you how to change Excel number format to thousands and millions without changing underlying values. Here's the problem. Showing revenue in this way makes no sense, since with all the zeros, it takes a lot of space on the chart. Instead of 50,000 with all the zeros, I just would like to show 50K. To change how it's being displayed, let me select the data. I'm going to select subscription revenue, service revenue, and hardware revenue. Then I am going to select currently they're formatted as currency. I am going to select more number formats, or you can also use Ctrl+1 as a keyboard shortcut. Here I am going to select custom, and for the custom value, I am going to type 0, comma, and then in quotes, capital K. The 0 means show the whole number with no decimals, and the comma after 0 tells Excel to scale the number down by 1000 to display. The K in quotes means print the letter K after the number. This way, 125,000 is displayed as 125K, because 125,000 divided by 1000 equals 125. The most important thing to keep in mind is that underlying value is still 125,000 with all the zeros, not the text of 125K. This is great for our chart and other dashboards, because labels stay readable. The key pitfall here is that format can hide precision. For example, let's take the value in cell before. The actual value is 131,500, which unfortunately shows as 132K. To enhance all the rounding control, let's select all the values again, navigate to custom format, and change it to 0.0, comma, and K in quotes. The cool thing is that you can apply the same formatting to negative values as well. And you don't have to go to custom format every time. If you like the format, you can just select the values, click Format Painter, and apply it to the refunds. If the content was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video.